Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm December Luxe box. So stick around and let's get into this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you. Let's get into this video. So firstly, let's start with, this is the December BoxyCharm Luxe box, which is the quarterly box. It's the really big one. It's really heavy and all that. But I do have some complaints. But before I get to the complaint and what my issue is, let me explain to you how the box works. So there are 3 boxes for BoxyCharm. The first one is their base box, which costs $25 every month. All the BoxyCharm boxes are full size products. There's never any minis or testers or anything like that. It's always full size products. The other level up is premium, which is $35. And then every quarter you can upgrade your box to a Luxe, and that box costs $49.99, which is the box I have here. So the box I have is December 2020 box. Let me just tell you what date today is. Today is January 17th. My box came on January 16th. Why do you ask? First of all, my box got lost. I feel like my last month box, I had a complaint too, away from the fact that the products were still good, but like the shipping is becoming an issue. So I'm here in Canada, as you know, and I literally tracked my box, and then all of a sudden, I think it said it got shipped from New Jersey and went to the distribution area to be transferred over to Canadian border or whatever, or the Canadian shipping company, and then the box just stopped, like literally stopped. I waited and I waited. Anyway, finally I was like, okay, let me reach out to BoxyCharm. So I reached out to BoxyCharm on Instagram. The good thing about it, great for customer service. They were able to issue me a box right away. They asked me about my shipping information. They checked into it. They didn't give me a runaround or anything like that. I got a new box issued, which is this box here. Now, I think they reissued this box on, I think I got the email about me getting my new box on December 23rd. And I think this box was shipped out, I think on the 26th or the 27th, because you know the holiday, right? So there was some delay on that. And then it arrived on January 16th. And I'm shooting this video on January 17th just to get it out to you. So let's get into this box and see what's in there. It's really heavy today because it's the bigger box. Let me just get it open. Okay, so the BoxyCharm theme for December's was bubbles and glitz, which is this guy here. My variation, like, I don't know what they're doing with the variation codes, but lately they're like these long bloody numbers. I don't know, but that's the variation that I have. So the first thing I see, it's called Iconic London, and on the package is Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Now, although I love getting palettes, I feel like every box that I've gotten lately has had a palette in there. Like, how many palettes can one person own? Like, seriously, I think at some point I'm gonna have to set up a giveaway because I have too many. So this one is a face palette, and let me just cover it like that. This is what it looks like here. The colors are absolutely beautiful. You can see them there. They're really nice. I think they'll work with my skin tone and all of that. I'm not worried about that part. But I just got the Pretty Vulgar face palette. I think was in my October box. So how many face palettes can I need, and how many eyeshadow palettes can I possibly use at one time with one face? So this, it says it retails for $55. So that's one item. The next thing I see here, let's see, Luxie. So this is one of their brush sets. So Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set. This retails for $85 and it's a Boxy exclusive. Let's open it because I definitely need more brushes. I threw out all my makeup and kind of started from fresh, which is what I told you I was going to do because I signed up for this box. Oh, these are nice. Guys, look at this. I like that. Very, 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 very nice. This is a good set. This is a good set. This is exactly what I was looking for. I love the gold on it. And I like that it's in this case. So, you know, it just stays put. And oh, I really like this. Like, I'm impressed by this. So far, I really like this. And it's not that I don't like the palette, I just feel like I have enough of them. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So I have this Rocking Cosmetic Hot Mess, and it says Rocking Cosmetic Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pen, and it says it retails for $40. Let's open it up. Oops, I don't know what that is. They're huge. Oh, I can't get it open. Oh, I can't swatch it for you guys. You know what? This may be a part of the giveaway as well. I don't like them that big. I like a little bit smaller so I can just do as a liner. This would be, you can maybe even use this as like kind of like a shadow if you're starting out. This is great. I really think I'm gonna put together a giveaway. Let's see what else there is in the box. So Avant. I think it's Avant Skincare Intense Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer, which is this guy here. It says the retail cost for this is $123, which is just madness because this is not very big. It's 50 ml or 1.69 fluid ounces. I'm gonna have to check into this brand because I don't know anything about them, but it says this is $123. I do like a moisturizer. This has glycolic acid in there, which is an AHA, which is good for your skin. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, so it's the Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. So this guy right here is such a great product. I got a sample of this maybe a year ago from Sephora, I think it was, and it was done, and I didn't go back and get any more, but I was absolutely in love with this guy. So lactic acid is an AHA. Let's see what it says about the Sunday Riley. So Sunday Riley Good Jeans Lactic Acid Treatment. The retail cost of this is $85. It says the multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. So this is the one here. It says the high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin while brightening the skin as well. So this is what this guy is, and I absolutely love it. I want to show you. So that's what the packaging kind of, I don't know what's going on with my lighting today, guys. I have lighting problems. Yeah, I think that helps. There we go. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on with my lighting. I think I'm here by the window and it's just, everything's all messed up today. I don't really know. Okay, so let's see what else is in there. Pull this apart. It says Lifestyle Co. Temple Rub Calming. So it says Lifestyle Co. 100% Calming Temple Rub. It says this retails for $24. It says what's more relaxing than lavender? The Temple Rub, of course. The super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headache, stress, and anxiety, which is this guy here. So the last thing I have in this box, which I already know what it is because I saw it on the BoxyCharm. I saw it on the BoxyCharm IG because my box is late. So it's almost like I got to see all the stuff that could possibly be in my box. And this is one of them. It says Butte Teeth Whitening Kit, which is this guy here. That's what it looks like. And it's a little kit of teeth whitening. I'm not really sure how you use it, but let's see what it says. And it says, let's see what it costs. Retail cost is $89, and it says it whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. And that's it from my box. I think I'm gonna check this out and see it. Okay guys, let's do a quick tally of the total and see how much the box comes up to. So 55 plus 85 plus 30 plus 85 again, plus 89, plus 123, plus 40, plus 24. So the total of the Luxe box for December 2020 is $531. This is my box, and I've showed you the code of it. So the total is $531, which is crazy for this little box. But honestly, if I was gonna like give a score for my December box, I'm not overly impressed with my box this month. I don't know if it's because my original box got lost and then they had to like throw things into my box to make up for that, if that's the reason why. I'm happy with the good jeans and I'm happy with the Luxe set, but overall I would say my December Luxie box, I did not like it. It didn't blow me away, and I think honestly this may be the last time I get a Luxe box until I think COVID is over and we're back to normal, and then the shipping would maybe go back to normal as well, and you know, suppliers are also back to normal as well. I think for March, I'm going to try the FabFitFun box. A friend of mine gave me a $15 off of that, and I think I'm going to try that for the month of March. But right now, honestly, if I was supposed to say, I'm not impressed by my box. It wasn't horrible, but I'm not overly impressed by it. And so in any case, I'm going to put together a giveaway and I will announce it on my Instagram page. So if you're not already following me, please follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to put together a giveaway there. So that's the end of my video for BoxyCharm. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. If you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.